here we are again YouTube. I'm trainer Jason X, and now we're about to have a rematch with Karen, the Dark type Elite 4 member. Karen has a Weevil. Okay, I go for the Stone Edge and Weevil is down. Now she's about to send out Absol. Absol, okay, I go for the return. It does very good damage. And the next return is about to send Absol down. Now it's Spiritomb. Spiritomb. Oh, let's send out Feraligatr to see what she's going to do. She goes for the curse. Okay. I go for the Waterfall. And Spiritomb is down. Now Honchkrow. I'll send out Gliscor. Go for the Sword Dance. Aerial Ace. It doesn't do a lot. Let's heal. Go for another Sword Dance. And the Aerial Ace. And Honchkrow is down. No, I don't want to learn Aqua Tail. Next one is Houndoom. I can take a hit. I go for the Earthquake. For some reason it didn't attack me. Anyway, it is down now. Next one is Umbreon. I'll switch out to my Theranos. Umbreon goes for the payback. Okay, I go for the Megahorn. Umbreon survives. I go for the Megahorn again and Umbreon is down. Karen is also down and now we have to face Lance. The rematch versus Lance is going to be very hard.